Hello everyone, today I'm gonna play against the Tygem 610 player. So if your level is around this level, I think this video will be helpful for you. Oh, now my opponent is black and now he used like, is it the cosmic style? And I have to restrict it for his area. Okay, let's start to make the joseki that you know. I guess maybe you will know this one, it's quite common joseki, and I'm just gonna answer and make the base, and it normally black has to answer here, and then I can just go to another place. Then of course black can just skip to defense here, and then he can just go to another place as well. And let's see how he will decide. Okay, he just go to the left hand side. This is one of the biggest. Nowadays, the getting into 3-3 is very valuable. So if black doesn't want to give this move, what I can recommend black is just play around here. Then I can't really get in here. Oh, he just caught here right now. He wanna push, I guess. But I'm not sure. Usually when he caught here, this is making white base really perfect. So even he push here, I can continue to answer, or I can just go to the big place. Oh, now this is like making me concentrated, I guess. And then he want a tenuki. Yeah, okay. I don't think black will connect. Black can play invade to 3-3. Okay, let's see now. Interesting move. If I just continue to answer, then I guess maybe he wanna invade to 3-3. Or if I just tenuki right now, just I can accept Atari one time. It's quite difficult. Just let's follow the former one. Even though I just answer, it doesn't mean I'm losing something. Yeah, just I had a two decision. Yeah, okay, he has played what I said. So I really have to accept him to break my territory. After this, I have to revenge. Okay, now it's timing of the tenuki. Somehow strategy is not really valuable. I think I have to revenge to invade to 3-3. And he hasn't defensed here one more move, so about, I don't know, 10 or 20 moves later, I will have a chance to invade here or here. So just let's focus the big place first. If I invade here right now, that obviously I can break the upper side, but he will catch up the center and then he can go to the left hand side. So still, it was not right timing. I can invade here. It was not the biggest. So now I have to just complete this fighting first. This tiger's mouth. Okay. If he plays tiger's mouth here, is he thinking here is he thinking this is his territory? I don't think so. Still, I have a chance to get in and break here. Okay, still when he defends here one more move, he'd invest one more move here. I don't think black can spend one more move to defense here, so I will just wait one more round. Yeah, somehow if he plays here one time, I don't think it will be efficient for him. So now he just answered, then I've got something. Okay, now it's timing to get in. Which move is better? Can I get in here? Or here? Seems those are possible. Yeah, I will just get in and try to destroy this territory. Of course, this is mostly difficult part, and because the pattern is like always changing and different. But don't be afraid. Always you have to try, even if you don't know how to do that. Oh, he is confident to capture this one stone. Yeah, somehow now this one stone is like, when I go out to center, he is thinking that this one stone is helping him to capture my group. Yeah, it's quite difficult to answer. That's true. Okay, let's just try to have a two-space jump first. It's not that easy if black just plays the best move. Yeah. Oh, I guess maybe black will push when I stretch and he can jump. Still, I don't have enough eye shape. Yeah. So, it's not that easy. It's kind of adventure. Yeah. Always when we have an invasion, it's like that. Yeah, it's common. But he didn't have one more push, so I will feel a little bit more comfortable because I may have a chance to push here. And in case he just block here, I can make sente, so I will get more eye shape. So just now black was supposed to push here if he really want to have a heavy attack of my group. Yeah, this time just one hengma can make me much comfortable, but still of course not sure. Yeah, okay, let's push here one time. I think at least strategy is a very good move. Strategy can make me to not block here. Yeah, this block is not gonna be sente. Oh, it's not that easy. Okay. How should I fly away? Should I just play night move? Or one space jump? Okay, let's do the one space jump first. But really not easy to save. Yeah, even now. Okay, let's push you one time. Life and death, everybody. Life and death question. How should I save really for this group? Am I dying? Okay, make it larger. But it's really difficult to save, I think. Yeah, now his attacking is very good as well. Okay, if I really want to save, somehow I need to make Tiger's mouth. And I have to sacrifice 3 stones. Just now if I block here, I think he can attach and make the Tetsuji and try to capture me. Okay, can he break this eye? When I block here, this block is gonna be sente. So I think it's good timing to use one time sente, and then when you block here, I will return here. And I wanna protect this eye shape. Can I? If I can save here, it's a really good result for me. So it's a really happy result for me. So I don't have to be worried anything. Because if I break this, after that, he doesn't have enough territory. His the upper side was totally broken, so his territory balance is broken too. My right hand side is already bigger than black's all of the territory. It's not all anyway. Obviously, white will be better. Okay, he just gave up to attack and just he jumps here. So now my best way is restricting the black's area, but just let's wait. Here is one of the biggest. I just have to defense, and when he is around his center, then I have to catch up the timing to reduce his center. So you know, center has a many door. Yeah, now he started to close his house door, his territory door. Yeah, am I using the right word? Okay, he just keeps stretch, and now I have to set up the line around. Actually, I can wait one more round. Make it here larger, and then when he is blocking, then I can just reset up the line again. Yeah, many methods are possible, not just one way. Yeah, still, you know, center is not easy to close the door. That's called the center. That's why it's not easy to make territory, and that's the reason why we don't play at the beginning. We always play at the corner first. Okay, which means that he really want to handle the center. I think it's a good move. Yeah, really. Yeah, and just let's wait. Now he is touching my one stone and making me to catch up. A bit difficult to catch up the timing. Okay, he's keep asking me to whether I want to answer. Okay, then I will trade now. I will just capture this one stone by later, and just I will accept to let him break my territory a little bit. Yeah, and then I can step back. It's acceptable because I captured the one stone. Okay, stretch is good enough. Yeah, when we complete this kind of area, normally this hane is good for each other, so I really want to go there actually. Yeah, can I even push one more time? Yeah, still ladder. So if he respawn, then I'm ready to capture, and then I'm ready to get into his center like rabbit. I will just keep jump and get into his territory, and make it smaller. Yeah, that's my next mission. Here, invasion was quite difficult. I'm not sure whether I can really survive there. Yeah, it was quite difficult, right? What? Was not letter? I think it's letter, right? Yeah, maybe you misread. So, okay. Or am I misread? No, I don't think so. What is it doing? Yeah, maybe he totally misread, I guess. Right? What is it doing? Come on. Yeah, maybe he's disappointed or he really misread, I guess. Okay, yeah, I now just he resign. I think maybe he will misread, I'm not sure. Yeah, yeah. Or he just disappointed for this result. Yeah, when he defends with the tiger's mouth here and he was telling me like this is all of his territory, but of course I couldn't accept, even though I couldn't save all the group. I have to invade first, and even though I just throw the my small group away, but actual game was like I could save all of them. That's why white was better for the territory balance. So this game was like it was a good topic, which timing we have to invade, and then which method we have to use, and even the why life and death studying is important. Yeah, anyway, it was a good game. So if you guys are around the 6th level, so I'm pretty sure it will be helpful, and please recommend to your friend, and please like and subscribe, and thank you very much for watching this video, and see you guys next time. Thank you. Bye bye.